In a major embarrassment to the ruling NDA, MDMK chief Vaiko has courted controversy by celebrating the birth anniversary of slain LTTE chief Prabhakaran. Even as pro-Tamil groups and Vaiko defend their celebration, the Congress has taken fresh aim at BJP-led NDA over their ally celebrating the killer of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi.
On the one hand, Prime Minister Modi trying to strengthen India's relationship with Sri Lanka at the SAARC summit. And on the other hand, an LTT sympathizer bent on antagonizing the Sri Lankan President Rajapaksa. Playing the Tamil card to the hilt, Vaiko taking his loyalty to the cause of Tamils to the next level by celebrating the slain LTTE leader Prabhakaran's birthday.
Mr. Prabhakaran is the legendary leader of the Tamil race all over the world. He has given the identity of the Tamil race to the world.
Celebrations ringing all across in full furor in Tamil Nadu, with firework display and cake-cutting ceremony to mark the 60th birth anniversary of assassin of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi.
As MDMK supporters continued the celebrations of the 60th birth anniversary of late LTT chief Prabhakaran, their boss Vaiko claimed victory after the Madras High Court granted them permission to hold the Heroes Day program tomorrow in Chennai.
But Vaiko's move to honour an assassin has found no takers from his own ally, the NDA, and he has found himself in an embarrassing situation.
बहुत गलत बात है। प्रभाकरन और उसके संगठन ने हमारी सेना के साथ लड़ाई की। उसने प्रभाकरन और उसके संगठन ने हमारे प्रधानमंत्री की हत्या की। बिल्कुल गलत बात है।
Knowing pretty well why they allowed me to join the NDA, they know my views. They are already aware of that. So we can't market our views in the name of alliance.
Vaiko has always portrayed himself to be a champion of the Tamils, a strategy that has always worked in Tamil Nadu, given the pro-Tamil sentiment that runs strong in the state.
I think he's doing a thing which he should have not done, and they just create these problems to get few lines from you people. He should be ignored and should be stopped also not to do this.
Congress, which had banned LTTE after former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi's assassination, found celebrations unacceptable.
Well, I find it utterly distasteful, totally unacceptable, and anti-national. How can anyone of any consequence in India celebrate the birthday of a known terrorist whose entire organization and life has been, in a way, dedicated to working against the unity and integrity of the country?
Vaiko's obvious disregard and disrespect to the former Prime Minister of India has not gone down well with its ally, the BJP. And knowing that his days could be numbered in the Rainbow Alliance, the MDMK chief using Prabhakaran's birthday as a way of reaching out to the AIA-DMK.
The arrests are wrong, but at the same time, I have to thank Sister Jayalalitha for the unanimous resolution adopted in the Tamil Nadu Assembly, which was moved by Jayalalitha for a separate Tamil Eelam to conduct a referendum.
With the MDMK going all gong-ho about Prabhakaran and celebrating an assassin's birthday without any compassion to India's sentiments, it seems that Vaiko wants to ensure that his relevance in Tamil Nadu stays in the days to come. Bureau Report, Times Now.